Welcome back to Mail My Cart. My name is Mikki, and today I have an unboxing from a collaboration I did with ColoringKaria. And she was so generous, so let's take a look at what she sent. First of all, she sent a couple Lar bars, a couple Duplo bars, which are so nice. Yum, 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 yum. Those are yummy. And she sent a nice sheet of watercolor paper. And last but not least, a bunch of pans that she poured. And I think most of these are Sennelier, and I think some of them might be Daniel Smith. I can't remember what we decided, but I sent her a little container of watercolors as well, but most were Lucas 1862, and there's a cat here. And I sent her a couple of different ones as well, right in the middle section, just like she did for me. And but she sent me this little insert as well, which is nice because yeah, it's just nice to have some extra little holder for them. So I'm going to open these up and swatch them out, and I shall be right back. Okay, so I'm back now with just the swatching, and she sent me some Daniel Smith Primatech genuine watercolors, which are so generous of her. Super, super nice, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, Karia. So we're going to go ahead and start with the Rose of Ultramarine. Oh, that's really pretty. I don't want to love them, but I'm going to. I just know it. Daniel Smith is so expensive. So this is Rose of Ultramarine, and it's PB 29 and PV 19. I can barely read it. Whoops. And this is Amethyst Genuine. So this is, I guess, real amethyst ground up. Wow. It's so shiny. Oh, it's so pretty. It's beautiful color. I meant it to go from dark to light, but this really came on strong. It's really granulating too. I didn't even want to clean my brush. Okay. And this is the beautiful lapis lazuli. It looks like I'm going to need to work it up a little bit. The genuines tend to be harder to re-wet. So pretty. Can you guys see that? Okay. Yeah. Very nice, beautiful granulating. Oh, so nice. And then we have Green Apatite Genuine, which is another color I've been dying to try. Ooh, wow. Check that out. Look at the coverage you get with that. Whoa. This is amazing. That is amazing. Now here is Daniel Smith's, I think, Daniel Smith's Indigo. Yeah, DS. Okay. And I love indigo, and this is only 2 pigments. This is PB60, and I just covered it up. PBK 6. So a blue and a black. And it's so nice. Oh. Okay, I'm going to turn the paper a little bit to see if there's less glare. Wow. Those are nice. Really pretty. So happy with just those 5. I could have just stopped there. She's so generous. Sent me all this beautiful paint. And the rest are ones she said, go ahead and pick out what you like, because she actually bought the, I think there's a 92 set or 96. I don't know which one it was, but it's the big one. Oh, so pretty. I like that one too. So this is sepia, warm sepia, PBR 7, PBK 7. Oh, so nice. I'm gonna have so much fun making stuff with this beautiful dark color. I kind of wanted to ask her for all the dark colors. Oh, another color I like. This is greenish umber. It's PB60, PBK7, and is that PY83? I guess it is. That is something I can get behind. I like that. That's like Verona Green Earth and Lucas. It's beautiful. Probably a little darker than theirs. This is theirs, right? Isn't it? Oh, that's Evergreen. Verona Green Earth. Skipping it. Too much time to go into another tangent here. And this is Forest Green. And this is PBK7, PG7, and PY42. Wow, it's beautiful. Check it out. Beautiful. It's nice and dark. Me likey. And now we're moving into the lighter and brighter colors. And let me move my paper up. So I'm already making, whoa, this is French ochre, and it's got 4 different pigments in it. Wow, check that out. It's really, I could even use that for a very limited palette. You could use this for your primary yellow, and then the darker, use the darker for whatever, mixing browns and stuff. Nice. So that's PY3, PY150, PBR 23, and PBR 7. Really nice. That's a surprise. And next is Naples Yellow, and it's this really cool buttery whitish yellow. It's PY35, PW6, and PW4, so it has 2 whites in it. Let's see how opaque, very opaque. Really nice. This would be really cool for skin tones. Oh yeah, so happy. And next is Phthalo Green Light, which is a very summery green. And it's PG7 and PY153. Wow, that's so bright. Really nice though. I could see these sunlit leaves. You know how the sun drenches through the underside of the leaves. You can see the sun through it. That's what it reminds me of. And this is Ceronius Blue, PB15:3 and PW4. So it's got a blue and a white, and it's really pretty. That's cinereous. I need to find out what cinereous means. Let's all find out. We'll find out later. Another color I really want to try is, it's almost a periwinkle. It's called Royal Blue. So pretty. Let's see if I can, here, lift it. There we go. So here's Royal Blue, very opaque, PB15:6, PW6, and PB29, which means it's probably going to granulate for us. So I'm going to give it a little extra layer there. And I love oranges, so I asked her for a couple of them. And this is Red Orange, which is PO43 and PY83. And it's supposed to be translucent. Ooh, that's nice. This could be an excellent mixing color. Nice, nice, nice. And next is Series 2 Selenier Orange. Semi-opaque. Wow, it's deep and rich. That kind of reminds me of a orangey pyrrole red. It's gorgeous. It's PO73. So it's one pigment. And last but not least, I really want to love this one because I've been looking for a really good Persiana. So let's see. It's supposed to be transparent. Let's see. Ooh, it's nice. It's reddish. But it's gorgeous. Look at that. A little bit more on the orange side than I thought it was going to be, but it's still gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see this, but this amethyst is glittering like nobody's business. I don't know if you can see that. It was just so pretty. Wow. Thank you so much, Karia. This is awesome. I'm going to love these so much. I'm going to give you a little close-up of all of them. So pretty. So, well, thanks for joining me in this unboxing, and I'm so super grateful. And I hope you have a good day, and thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.